me again, people. Sam from South Carolina Happy Bees. This is hive number 450 Dead Tree. It is still January the 7th, about 12:30, and it's still about 66 degrees. Beautiful day. Partly cloudy now. This one here says we just gave them food on January the 28th. They're still eating. Best they did hearts. They've eaten most of it. And all this gone, just paper left. And they like the dry sugar. But like I say, that's just mainly to keep them going in cold weather. If it's cold, they're not going to be able to leave their warm spots in their cluster. And go get food. Because if they leave their cluster, they lose their fleet. You know, you move it, you lose it. Not really. But anyway, they get out there in the cold, and they get cold, and they can't get back to their house. The bees they got thin skin. You know how cold it is when it gets down to 20 or 19 degrees. Got a pocket here somewhere for that. Nope, that ain't gonna work. But they're already eating their food. Okay, now let's see what we have here. And we're going to take this, put it over here. This one here don't look like it's got much on it. This is a frame with some worker brood cells and some drone brood cells. Here and some worker cells and a few little bees. And this one here we may have to do something with. We may make a split out of this one. I don't know. If we don't see a queen, that's what we'll do. We'll put a frame of eggs in here. This one here's got some brood. No, got some pollen, little larvae. We may be putting these down in a 5-frame box. Just depends. Could be putting them in a double 5 if they have a queen. Whoop, there's the yellow queen. Brood, egg, larvae, yellow queen on your left hand side. Why is she? Got brood. A little bit of drone, not much. Pretty much laid up. Both sides. Wind's picking up. Here's laid up. Both sides. Here, laid up, eggs, brood, piling, a few drones. Let's see, if we make splits today, in 16 days, or 13 days, the queen should be hatching. This one here's got some groceries. But anyway, in 2 weeks, she should be out mating. Put this one here. She should be out mating. Another week we should be able to see brood or eggs. And 21 days after that we'll have a nuke. We're not going in the bottom of this one. We're going to give them some food. Up here so they can finish their sugar. Get me a staple gun. And some food. Oh yeah, tell you about this too. Let me go see if I can find one first. Finish doing what we're doing. Get some feeder. Location here. One of our famous feeders, y'all know what they are. Okay, I'll show you something. Somebody asked me about adding the screen, this screen here, to own this. Okay, if I did that, see how this, I need another piece on here. And if I was to put that screen on all of them, it's harder to find the right one to put on it. So Sometimes it's just as easy not to do it. Put the screen in there this way. Got a little girl in there already eating. Hold on a little. Get her out. There you go. And it being warm, there's flotation in there so they don't drown. But if I had screens on all of these, and yes, I could make it all work, but however, it's easier just to do it this way. And now they got plenty of room in there. We'll give them some piling. Just a little bit. There they go. Number 450. This was one of my best honey makers. So that's them. Got a little fight going on down here on the bottom. Fight's over. Okay, y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share. I may open that up a little bit. Subscribe, tell other people. Y'all have a marvelous day.